Hey, what's up? So anybody new to my channel, I'm Frisky Hug. Today's video is an unboxing video brought to you by the Lunchbox. So we will be talking about the new bag that they came out with. It's their Hydration Pack 2.0. Okay, so just open up the box. First thing I saw was a wire in there. Put some batteries in there. You can kind of customize your lunchbox by just putting it around. There is a video on the Lunchbox's YouTube channel, kind of lets you know how to set it up and kind of figure it out that way. So you can go check them out on their channel. They have a video on how to put the wire on. So for the Lunchbox 2.0, this one just came out. They are actually out of stock. They are doing the pre-sales right now, which is also about to be out of stock. So if you guys are interested in the 2.0, I'd get a head start on that now. They do have the older version. They have the Ruby, the Sapphire, which comes in two different colors. And it's actually for sale. It's actually cheaper than this one, and they have it in stock if you're interested in that. Also, you can use code FriskyHug, and it'll save you $11 on your order. So these bags here, they're anti-theft. So basically when you put on the bag, you'd have to take off the bag in order to get to your compartments. That makes it so it's harder for people to steal your cell phone, steal your any of your possessions really. So the skins are interchangeable. You can go ahead and take this one off. Sorry. You can take it off and then put a different one in. Those are also for sale on their website. All of the stuff will be in the description below. So if you're looking for their website, you're looking for their Instagram, anything like that, it's all in the description below. Go ahead and check it out. So on the sides here, there's two elastic bands. This will help hold anything in. Before there used to only be one. Now there's two to kind of help you hold whatever fan, poles, and stuff you got on there. And then it also has a little pouch to help put your stuff inside. On the other side here, there is a zipper to help you get to your bladder. The bladder here, you just slide it out, fill it, slide it back in, just put it in the bag. I think it's like 10-second refill or something. Don't quote me on the refill, but you know, there's videos out there with actual information on how long it should take you. And then you have your shoulder straps. You have a little pocket there and a little pocket over here. So both sides have pockets, so you can put your, usually people put their cell phones in here, that way it's like secure, it's in front of you, and if you need to take a quick picture, take it out, put it back in. That's where most people put it. But, and I'll show you that if you open up your first compartment, there's actually a little pocket right here, so you can actually put your cell phone if you prefer to have it in your bag instead of in front of you. Some people don't actually use their cell phones during festivals, so for those people this is probably a better spot for you. Or you can put your external charger, and right across from it there's three little pouches. There's like a medium one and like two small side ones inside of your main compartment as well, and then you have like your main storage you want to put in there. So that's your main compartment. And I think they added this, but I don't remember. I had to check the other bag. But there's a little buckle on the zippers to kind of help you keep it more secure. So just in case somebody knows how to, like, I don't know. I don't think anybody could even open your bag, but it's like extra security. And then you get to your last zipper down here. And it kind of opens up the pocket where your bladder is at, and there's a little clip here in case you wanted to clip something there, and there's also a little pocket right here, a little mesh pocket right there, and the inside is all like thermal layered, so it'll keep your stuff cooler longer. And then obviously your hose. So this is a different hose. It's actually, it looks like it's really good. If you have like the last Lunchbox, you'll know that this material here, like I feel like this will last a lifetime. It's pretty awesome stuff. The lock is still the same. You just kind of take off the lock. Gotta just twist it on and off. It'll actually lock the hose So I do like that. And then you just can unclip or clip your hose onto the strap. And then last but not least, comes with a buckle. Boom. Sorry, I'm like trying to like look at the camera and like do this blind. Not working. For some of you guys though, the buckle kind of comes off. It actually slides. So sorry, I know that this bag is black, so it kind of makes it really hard to kind of show. But this thing slides in and out. So if this ever comes off, you could just slide it back in. If it ever does come off, there's a little piece of metal here. You just slide it within that piece. And I think that's it. I don't see anything that I've missed, but if I did miss something, I'm sorry. I do have another video on my channel that kind of goes more thoroughly through it. I like read everything that came in there. If you're curious about the Lunchbox, go ahead and check them out. They have a YouTube channel, they have an Instagram, they have a website. Everything is on the description below, like I said. And use code FriskyHug for an $11 discount. Aside from that, guys, stay safe at these festivals, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye.